Hello everyone, let's learn some colors. Red color, brown color, pink color, black color, purple color, blue color, light green color, yellow color, sky blue color, dark green color and orange color. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. A for ant. B for bee. C for cat. D for dolphin. E for elephant. F for fish. G for giraffe. H for house. I for ice cream. J for jelly. K for kite. L for ladybug. M for mouse. N for nest. O for octopus. P for pig. Q for queen. R for rocket. S for snake. T for teddy bear. U for umbrella. V for vegetable. W for whale. X for xylophone. Y for yo-yo. Z for zebra. Let's learn numbers. Number 1, number 2, number 3, number 4, number 5, number 6, number 7, number 8, number 9, 1, 0, 10. Like and subscribe for more videos.